Have you ever wondered why credit unions are becoming more popular? It's a question that has piqued the curiosity of many as they navigate the world of finance. This financial phenomenon, known as a credit union, is not a new concept. In fact, it has roots stretching back to the mid-19th century. Originating in Europe, credit unions were designed as a collaborative banking solution for communities. Today, they have evolved into a global network of financial institutions striving to provide members with a more personal banking experience. Yet, like any financial institution, credit unions come with their own set of pros and cons. Some people swear by them, while others prefer sticking to traditional banks. It's a debate that we'll delve into as we progress through this video, shedding light on the mystery of credit unions. Before we dive deeper, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay informed on topics like these. Let's unravel the mystery together. So, what exactly is attracting more and more people to credit unions? Well, let's dive right in. One of the key attractions is that credit unions often have lower fees than traditional banks. Yes, you heard that right. It's not about paying more. It's about keeping more of your money in your pocket. Now let's talk about interest rates. Credit unions typically offer higher interest rates on savings. It's not just a fraction more, but often a substantial difference that can really add up over time. Imagine earning more on your savings without lifting a finger. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? And lastly, there's the personalized service. Credit unions are known for their community focus and member-centric approach. You're not just a number in a system, you're a valued member. That means more tailored solutions, more attentive service, and a genuine desire to help you succeed financially. Sounds great, right? But hold on, there's more to consider. Despite all these benefits, why do some people still hesitate to join credit unions? Well, like most things in life, credit unions also have a flip side. This isn't about painting a grim picture of these institutions, but rather, it's about understanding the whole story. Let's start with one of the most common concerns: limited locations. Unlike major banks, which seem to have branches on every corner, credit unions tend to have fewer physical locations. This could mean a longer drive to your nearest branch, which, in today's fast-paced world, might not be the most convenient option. Then, there's the question of technology. In the age of digital banking, most of us are used to having banking services at our fingertips. However, some credit unions might not offer the same level of technology as their banking counterparts. Features like mobile banking, online bill pay, or even a simple user-friendly website might not be as polished or may not exist at all. Now let's talk about membership restrictions. While credit unions are community-focused, this means they often have specific membership requirements. These can range from living in a particular area, working in a certain industry, or being a part of a specific group or organization. So not everyone might be eligible to join the credit union of their choice. Lastly, let's not forget about product variety. Banks often have a wider array of financial products and services, whereas credit unions may have a more limited selection. This could mean fewer credit card options, investment services, or loan varieties. However, it's important to remember that these potential downsides are not universal. Some credit unions may offer a vast network of branches, cutting-edge technology, and an extensive range of products and services. So before making any decisions, it's essential to do your homework. Research your options, compare the pros and cons, and consider your individual needs and circumstances. So it seems credit unions are not all rainbows and butterflies. But with the right information, you can make an informed decision that's best suited to your financial goals. So, should you join a credit union or not? It's a question that's likely been circling your mind since we started this journey. Let's recap. On one hand, credit unions offer personalized service, lower fees, and better interest rates. They're community-focused and often have your best interest at heart. On the flip side, they may lack the convenience of larger banks, with fewer locations and ATMs, and their technology might not be as up-to-date. Now here's a tip. Evaluate your needs. Are you looking for a personal touch and community involvement? Or are you more concerned about accessibility and cutting-edge technology? Weigh the pros and cons in light of your specific needs and circumstances. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. What's most important is that you make the most informed decision possible. And before we wrap up, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content. Remember, the right decision depends on your individual needs and circumstances. Now that you're equipped with this knowledge, what's your take on credit unions? It's quite an intriguing world, isn't it? As we've seen, credit unions offer unique benefits like member ownership and potentially lower fees. Yet they also come with their own set of challenges, such as limited accessibility and fewer technological conveniences. It's clear that credit unions aren't a one-size-fits-all solution. They can be an excellent choice for some, but not the best fit for others. It's all about what aligns with your financial needs, preferences, and lifestyle. Remember, knowledge is power. The more informed you are, the better decisions you can make for your financial future. Before we wrap up, a gentle reminder to hit the like button if you found this information valuable. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more comprehensive guides and discussions on topics that matter to you. So, what factors are most important to you when choosing where to handle your finances? Let's continue this discussion in the comments below.